हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम करने वाले हैं कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन में से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 430। तो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन, in connection with this controversy, I may mention that I am one of those persons who feel that the present context of conditions in the country is not suitable for the purpose of discussing a constitution amendment bill, which should be given necessary thought in a very calm atmosphere, and the democratic norms which are held very high in our mind should be the guiding principles. Stop. At the present moment, when the very democratic ideals are being attacked and obstructed from outside, it may perhaps be not possible to consider these matters in a very detached and calm atmosphere. Stop. For that purpose, I should have liked if this bill had been postponed or withdrawn from discussion. Stop. Sir, under Article 53 of the Constitution, the President is the executive head of the state, and under Article 74, the Prime Minister is appointed by the President, and the Council of Ministers is appointed on the advice of the Prime Minister. Stop. In defining the relationship between the President and the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, the words used are to aid and advise. Stop. I have been of the opinion, having read some of the commentaries about the British Constitution, that the position occupied by the President or the British monarch is more or less the same. Stop. It has been the opinion expressed by various jurists, not only in this country but outside also. Stop. If I had not listened to the speeches, I could have, without the least hesitation, said that probably the amendment was uncalled for. Stop. But having listened to these two speeches, irrespective of the merits to be considered, there seems to be some controversy, or at least some difference of opinion, in interpreting a particular statute. Stop. It has been even told that once a statute is passed by Parliament or a legislature, and it is placed in the hands of the lawyers who are to interpret it before courts, the intention of the statute, the purpose with which it is passed, it is completely forgotten, and in relation to interpretation, you find something else interpreted and decided by the courts other than what has been sought to be passed by Parliament or a legislature. Stop. Being a clever lawyer, he has given an interpretation in relation to the prerogative of the President or the head of the state, and the powers that would एग्जिस्ट इन रिलेशन टू द प्रेसिडेंट स्टॉप। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करें, और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हों तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। थैंक्स।